Hello, my name is Dustin LeBeau. I'm going to be talking about the structure, style, and visuals of the ANA website, nurseworlds.org. I'm going to break it down into four categories: organization, focus, links, and graphics. So, the first thing I'm going to be talking about with the website is its organization. First off, on every single page that it has a logo of the ANA in the top left corner, which is extremely professional. Next, the way it breaks down its information is through the idea of chunking important bits of information together. So it's all more similar. They do this with one way. The front page is always like the updates and news. So, like when I was on it last, it was information about the coronavirus and what was changing in their organization. After that, they have six main groups that are seen as drop downs, and each of them have subparts within each. They're all in an alphabetical list formed. The and going from left to right, they have practice and advocacy, certifications for where you want to get certified in a more specialized field like critical care, emergency, geriatrics, membership for multiple different ways you can join and be an active part of the community. Magnet, pathway, and accreditation, which is mainly for whatever hospital you're working at. So people know like what is required to be magnet and what makes them accredited for that magnet status. Next would be education and events, which is more about like the more evidence-based practice that is being discovered and events that you can help participate and work with the ANA. And lastly is getting involved, which is the page where they accept donations, they tell you where they're located, and how to join these events. Next topic I'll talk about is the focus of the website as a whole. So it's very much like its main drop down portions. Accreditation is a huge focus from the website because it tells hospitals and the personnel who work in them how they get accredited and what questions they might be asked once they do their reviews of the facilities. Next would be advancements, which is how you can further increase your evidence based practice and your professional practice to go to the next level through certifications, which that also kind of follows into education because the education portion will also help with the advancements to get your next certification. And lastly, it would be membership. So like before, everything that they need for their members, the events, donations, all of the things like that. The next topic I'll talk about is the links that are found throughout the website. All of the links throughout the website are extremely appropriate. They're all related to nursing. There's no pop ups, there's nothing that you would be surprised if you clicked. In that sense, they're all also extremely clear. You know exactly what you're clicking. You know exactly what it's going to bring you to, like the different parts of the memberships, accreditations, and certifications. And there's even links throughout the whole website that help navigate through the website itself. It's a very large website and it can be difficult at points to find exactly what you are looking for. But with those links, it'll help you jump around the website a lot easier and smoother. Last thing I will be talking about is the graphics of the web page. These two graphics were sources from the website. They're relevant to the information and represent inclusivity in nursing and with others in the healthcare team. They help represent nurses advancing in their own field, which allows for advancement of the profession. For that reason, they are relevant because the website is meant to help advance nurses through education and membership. All of these pictures can help show the intention of what the link is that you're about to click. It enhances the information because it shows you what you will be seeing, and they all look professional throughout the whole website. Overall, the website does an extremely good job using its structure, style, and visuals to aid the viewer by enhancing the information that is being presented. Thank you for your time, and up next is Amanda with the design of the website. Thank you again.